this is the look we're going to be working on today, y'all. So if you're interested, I hope that you please keep watching. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to be using the very first Juvia's Place palette I believe they created, actually. And I'm going in, you guys, I always go in with neutral shades when I start my looks. And as you'll see, I'm just kind of warming it up. These shadows do not have names, so just try to kind of follow along. But as you can see, I'm just going a shade that's similar to my skin tone. Then I'm going in with warmer browns. I like to flick the eyeshadow out, that way it kind of gives it a cat look without having to tape the eyes. And then at the top I went back in with the same neutral orange just to kind of brush the brow bone. Next I'm using the Juvia's Place, it's like a white concealer, and I'm going to use this to cut crease my eye. I'm not the best at this, but I do notice the more product you put on the brush, the better. And then I'm going to go in with the gold loose powder. I'll link it below. And then I'm going to blend out the edges so they don't look so harsh. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I'm just blending, and that's just really the key with the eyeshadows, you guys. Just layer and blend. Next, I'm going in with the Inglot 77 liner. That's totally optional. Now I'm going in with my favorite concealer of all time, the Skin Enhancer by Kevyn Aucoin. You know, just put it under your eyes, you guys, and try to pat it in, because that way you'll get the most coverage. I don't like to put too much on my nose and forehead. I just kind of use the excess. Gonna blend that baby out. Alright, and this is the NYX sculpting stick. Just kind of lining my jawbone and my forehead, and now we're blending it out. And now I'm going in with my Derma Blend powder. I'm not going to bathe because I tend to get very dry, so here I'm just going to set it. Alright, y'all, of course, put on your favorite pair of lashes. Just kind of brushing them out, y'all. I don't wear these like 6 times. And now I'm just going in with a Morphe lip liner. Overdrawing my lips just a tad bit. And now I'm just topping it off with some ColourPop lip gloss. And that completes the look, you guys. I hope you all enjoy it. I really love when I can go in and do my makeup with one palette. So let me know what you guys think. Alright, I love you guys. Till next time.